deadlines.
Honestly, thinking about my porridge, I get really excited about it.
Normally, I'm just like happy to wake up, especially if it's sunny.
My
alarm
clock.
Probably my alarm clock primarily, but also I've been in lockdown with my boyfriend, so he always like makes me wake up and we start work together at like 9 or 10.
The sun, typically. I actually quite like to leave my curtains open just to get some lighting, because I feel like I wake up better then.
I decided to do my morning yoga flow. I love starting my days off with yoga because it just gives me something to look forward to every morning.
Living so close to all my friends is definitely a thing that gets me out of bed, because I can go down the corridor and have a chat, and that's like a big motivation.
Oh, my lectures, mainly. Sort of the lectures, and also the people sort of going to the college bar and seeing everyone, and obviously working very hard, but also just, you know, having a chat that I wouldn't have the option to do at school, because I'd just be in the classroom all day or in the library all day.
It's really nice knowing that if you're going to a lecture, you're going to see all of these brilliant people that you've got to know within the last few weeks or within the last couple of years. It's just lovely knowing that you're in this together and you can share your interests with other people who are also very passionate.
So I think I'm quite lucky in that I do really enjoy my degree, and that it's nice that I don't mind spending quite a lot of time each day studying that. But also, while I'm at university, I'm involved in so many other things. So I'm the captain of my college netball team. I do some access and outreach projects, which I'm really involved in. I do some mental health charity projects, and so there's just so much going on. And so no 2 days are ever the same, and it's that variety that I think keeps everyone motivated to just keep going.
So I work at the Students' Union, and when I was a student still, I was really involved in the Students' Union with the Disabled Students campaign and helping other students to campaign on issues that matter to them around the university. There were things that I was really kind of fed up of and wanted to change. So that's something that really gets me motivated, is seeing other people making change based on conversations that we've had. Changes being implemented in colleges based on training that I wrote and delivered to these students. That's something that for me really makes it feel like I'm having an impact within the university.
Yeah, just really seeing myself grow and learn and kind of come out of my shell has just been something that's motivated me. And I'm surrounded by such great people, like-minded people. I get to learn from so many different people from all around the world.
In Cambridge, just like I've properly fallen in love with the town after living here for 2 years. So it's just like getting on my bike and cycling through, like picking a different coffee shop to work in, just little things like that are what I love about living here. And yeah, it just motivates me to get up and go and seize the day.
There's a lot of things to do in the day that are good, so that kind of just gets me up. I'm just like happy to get up.